This is a short video showing Waylay Digital Twin in action together with Salesforce Service Cloud. We are looking at a predictive maintenance case that was automatically created by the Waylay Digital Twin solution. In this case, an industrial robot at Robot Company is exhibiting bearer degradation, and the recommended action is to schedule a field visit with the customer for a bearer integrity check and lubrication. A work order has already been issued and scheduled. When we drill down into the asset, we can get a full picture of the digital twin parameter evolution over time. We also see that there are various Waylay alarms active on this asset. The user has a complete historical timeline view of any alarms, cases and work orders that have been issued for this asset in the past and in the future. There are various proactive monitoring rules active for this robot. Some of them are raising alarms. These alarms are powered by rules that a business user can easily configure and assign to his assets via a no-code user interface, like setting the recommended action, referencing a knowledge base article, or configuring whether there's an actionable notification going out to the end customer or to a dealership.